Yo, hello everyone. Do you want to engage your website's visitors with captivating video content? In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to add video inside of your Webflow website. From uploading your video files to customizing the video player and embedding videos on your web page. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, now what you have to do is simply go to this menu over here. So here you'll find kind of menus so you can add containers, section, and etc. So these are all the things that you can add. Let's add a section over here, for example. It cannot be nested inside each other. So let's find another section. So yeah, I'm going to add it over here. And in this section, we can add kind of assets. So the assets can be images and videos. So let's go to all assets and let's try to upload the video. For now, I don't think I have any videos, so let me try to upload this one. League of Legends, okay, all files, and let's try to upload this video. So League of Legends file. So the max file size has to be 30 megabytes for MP4. So let me just search real quick for a small size like video and I will be uploaded right now. So guys, once you upload the video, go to add elements and in this section that you have chosen before, I'm going to go all the way down here into video. So it can be guys, video from YouTube or it can be video that I have uploaded. So let's go and drag this over that and here we go. So now we can now drag our video over here. So for example, we can drag a URL, it can be whatever thing we think of. So here we can drag a URL or you can show all settings and simply we can drag one of our videos that we'd like to use over here. So you can even make it visible and invisible. You can go through settings, create components, add a new component. Here we go, we have created a new component. Here connect to property. Here we can add the property to it, create property to it, and from here you can just simply choose a video through your own videos. So for now I didn't find any kind of good video to add guys. I don't really have small sized videos, but overall it is that simple guys. Click here, go through your files and choose the file that you want to be in here. It is very easy and very simple. And for the links it is the same thing. Go here, just go ahead and choose whatever link you have in mind. So we can go for example like that, property settings, and here add the URL that you'd like, for example YouTube, Spotify, anything that you have in mind. It will be added over here very quick and very easily. And that's how you can add videos into your Webflow site. Let's try to do this with another website. So I'm going to the dashboard and let's try this with this, for example, with this template. So I'm going to it, open it, and we are going to do the same things. But let's check first if we have like any kind of videos in this website. So yeah, we have this video. So this video wrapper has this video inside of it. So here you can see the size, etc., etc. So let's go to the settings. Here you might find all the settings about this video. So let's click here much more. And as you can see, actually this is not really a video, this is just an image. I got I got baited. But yeah, now if you click on the small icon you will find that it is a media from YouTube. This is the link of it. So what you can do, so in case this is a template that you are working on and you want to change this video from here, just click here and add whatever video you have in mind. So you can put whatever video you have on a website, you can add image. So it is all up to you. You can link with other light boxes, you can make custom attributes here, add an attribute. So it is all up to you guys. Very easy to adjust, very easy to do whatever you'd like. And now the same thing with this one. Let's say that we don't have this video section that we can edit. So what should we do? Simply go ahead and scroll down and go for video and just put it whatever you'd like. So as you can see, it has been put it over here and put there in the title. The same thing for YouTube videos. You can click here, drag all the way down and choose YouTube. So just like that, Let me just try to add it, and here it is. So here you can add your URL title, and you can even choose where do you want the video to start. You can choose to autoplay it, mute it, and show all the settings to know more about the detailed settings about it. You can even limit related videos to the channel, so people can't really watch YouTube through your website. That will slow down the hosting and make a lot of troubles inside of your Webflow site, especially if you are running it on the free mode. If you're running it on the free trial mode, it will lag as hell. So make sure to limit the related videos to this channel so it will not play other videos other than the video that you have chosen. And once it is stopped, it will not be auto-played. So make sure to uncheck this playback through here. Make sure to uncheck it so it will not autoplay over and over again. So
And
guys, this is like before we end with this video, I'd like to show you this. So this is a bunch of articles. I will show you Reddit and an article that I found on Webflow supports. Here they are asking if there is any way to add MP4 videos to the website. So here it is the answer. So where are you hosting your video? You can also use VMO as a hosting option if you do not like YouTube. So as I showed you how to add a YouTube video, here you can simply just add VMO as your hosting and add VMO videos to your website. So you can still use the Webflow video widget. People are using Vizar and Wistia to host their videos. You can also embed code inside an HTML widget and make your own video section. There is much of options that you can use, so you can actually go through this. And this is like a code that you can use as well. This is source code, so it is really good. So you should upload video to your hosting. And here is the Reddit. So here it is the question. So how do you upload big file videos to Webflow websites? As you know, guys, every time someone added a background video, it becomes pixelated, and yes, it's under 30 megabytes because like Webflow will not actually accept videos more than 30 megabytes. So he is doing the job correctly. So here people are actually giving him some kind of options. So here maybe try this and host it on VMO. So VMO is a really good hosting for videos. It is the most popular one. In case you guys don't know it, you actually do know about it because most of us people who watches like series films are actually watching it on VMO. So yeah, here you can also, all the people here are actually advising it to use VMO or YouTube or any other third party hosting for the videos instead of the Webflow hosting itself. And here it is like an embed code that you can use as well from your video link. As you can see, your video link .mp4, and here it is the code. You can use it as you'd like. And yeah, guys, that was completely it. That's how you can add videos inside of your Webflow website. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.